How can you make a APK in your Flutter app? What you have to do, go to the terminal with opening the project and you have to write Flutter build APK split per API. This will take a few seconds to make your first APK. So guys, as you can see, our APK is built here. So we don't need to use 3 of that. So what we can do, we have to now open that build folder in the Explorer. Here in the build folder, what you have to do, go to the app, outputs, Flutter APK, and we have to copy that file. There is more of same, just like same name of that. We have to take that file, app ARMEABI v7a release. Make sure when you copy that file, that will be v7a. You have to now take that file to your phone and then you can double tap on it. The install button will be came and that got installed in your phone. And that's how you can test any app with an APK.